Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to fix battery temperature low. The phone will shut down soon, or in other words, battery temperature low. The phone will stop charging. In other words, another error says battery temperature low. The phone will shut down now. Once you encounter this problem, it can be a bit frustrating, especially when you're going through your daily routine tasks, or maybe you're busy with the phone and then this message suddenly pops up. It cancels everything, the phones get back again, or it shuts down anytime while you are using it. It's very frustrating. And so today I'm going to show you easy methods that will guide you to kill this problem, kill it completely. So the very common problem or the common solution is replacing with the original battery. But what if we don't have the original battery? What are we going to do? So in this method, I'm going to walk you through the steps that will get your phone running smooth and with the error gone, using a very simple trick. You're just going to need a copper wire or any other wire, a tool to remove the screws from your phone, and maybe if you are a bit into technical stuff, you could have a soldering iron. A soldering iron is not necessary, but it's required. The very first thing you're going to do is open up the phone, removing the back cover. We're going to access the motherboard. The motherboard is the one that we need. The motherboard contains the battery terminals, and the battery terminals is the one that we're going to use to kill the problem. And for reference, we're going to use the battery so that you'll know the negative and the positive, or you could just keep on your head negative red, positive black, but that's not here, because you couldn't assume that the negative is left, the positive is right. Sometimes it's good to refer. So what you're going to do here is we're going to short the two terminals. A phone has three terminals: the negative, positive, and the middle. So what you're going to do here is we're going to short the negative and the middle using a wire. It could be copper wire or any wire that is good conductor of electricity. Some devices need resistor. Could I say any value of the resistor? No. It doesn't have specific value of a resistor. You could try different resistors until you get the one that works with the device. Previously, I tried reballing CPU, but that never worked. So this method of negative and positive, shorting the negative and positive, works, and we're going to put it into test. So as I made the holes a bit bigger so that the wires could pass through well, also make sure to twist the wires or tie a knot so that the wire could not fall off or enter into other devices, because if it falls inside the device and access other components, it will short circuit and cause a bigger damage. So we want to avoid that. Make sure you tie, make sure it's neat, make sure it's perfect, make sure you have set it correctly. And the next thing that you're going to do is we're going to reassemble your device back into place the way it was. Make sure you return every component where it was, and before you return the screws back to the phone, ensure everything is working correctly before you completely seal the phone. If you have reached this end, please give me a subscribe and maybe perhaps a like. Also, you could share to your friends who are frustrated with this problem. And once the device is reassembled, we're going to return back the battery and make sure the battery is well fitting on the terminals, and we're going to turn it on for the final reveal. Just I'm going to press the power button and the phone will it's saying there's a new incoming message, please delete old. So that new could enter, could be received any way you could say it. As you can see, our phone is back on its feet. It's working. There's no more errors and the problem is eliminated. So I'll say this is a temporary solution, because if you remove the wire, the problem will come back. So I'll call it a bypass. It's not a permanent solution. Subscribe for more, and I will always update you with videos and latest updates. Thank you for watching.